and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I am doing a collaboration with a bunch of women here on YouTube. We are doing the final summer Fling collab, or at least that's what we're calling it. And we are all doing a look with the Alamar Cosmetics palette, and I'm super excited. My friend Laurie Latimer here on YouTube came up with this idea, and I was so excited to collab with her. I enjoy doing collabs because it's a lot of fun working with other individuals here on YouTube and just kind of seeing what they'll come up with. And I will have everyone's channels linked down below. That way you guys can go check them out. Well, if you want to see how I got this look here, then just continue watching. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go ahead and go in with is the yellow shade Cocoa Taxi, and I'm just going to run this into my crease. I'm using it more as a transition shade for this look, and I'm taking it on a really dense blending brush. Then I'm going to go in with Tropico, and I'm going to put that lower into the crease and just kind of blend it in with Cocoa Taxi. I do take the brush with Cocoa Taxi and just kind of blend those edges. Then I'm going to go in with Guantanamera, and I'm putting that on the outer V and slightly into my crease. And just so you guys know, that is an e.l.f. crease brush that I'm using. Then I go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to do a half cut crease. And I'm using that flat Alamar brush we got in our BoxyCharm. Now, I'm going to say that there are a couple of things with this half-cut crease that I wish I would have done differently. But this is generally how I go ahead and put on my concealer when I do this type of look. I really do like this brush for that portion of it. But yeah, it was just kind of, I don't know, it didn't work out the way I had intended. I will let you guys know that much. And on this eye that I'm working on now, I feel like I put too much concealer. So I went in a little heavy-handed with the concealer on this eye, and that's partially why I think I had some of the issues I had. I also forgot how thick like Tarte Shape Tape is on the eye, and it was just not the greatest choice on my part, if I am completely honest. But I wanted to use the Tarte Shape Tape up. So then I go in with the Veradero shade. I am so bad in butchering these names. I apologize. So I use both a brush and my finger. The brush is more to get into those tight little areas. That way I don't go over with my finger with the blue. I still think I kind of messed this up a little bit. And one of the things I think that would have fixed it, and I had this idea way after I filmed this video, and I think it would have helped if I went in with the shade Celia and kind of did like a line over the top. That way it wasn't such a harsh line from that orange red shade to that blue, but that's an afterthought, and that is something that I would suggest doing. I also think it would give a different dimension to the look. Then I'm going in with Guantanamera right now on that same brush I used earlier, and I'm just kind of smoothing out those edges. I didn't want it to be too harsh, but I'm going in very softly to do that. Then I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and do a wing on each eye. I think the wing kind of helped to kind of pull this specific look, but I think the wing helped to pull this look together, sorry. But it wasn't the easiest wing to do. It looks so much easier in fast mode. Then I go in with the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Mascara. You guys, I'm really liking this mascara. Every time I go back to using it, I'm so happy. Then I'm going to take the green shade Celia on my lower lash line. I also think that this would have tied Celia in had I gone in and put it just above where the blue and the orange meet. Would have given that a nice little dimension to my eye. But you live, you learn. You think of things after you film videos. It is all good. But I do like how the green looks on the lower lash line. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and I'm using the shade Pearl as my inner corner highlight as well as my brow bone highlight. This, I forgot how intense this was until I pulled it out to use it for this look. And I'm glad I did because I think it goes better with this look than the other two shades in the palette, the other two kind of shimmery shades. Then I'm going to take the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche liquefied lipstick in Whip. This is like my favorite nude lipstick lately. I just really like it. It's really comfortable and I really like the Bite formula, but I'm going to be running out of this one soon because that's how often I use it. Thank you guys so much for watching the tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed it. I know that this is not the most perfect half-cut crease I've ever done. I had a few complications along the way, but thank you guys so much for watching. I do enjoy playing with the Alamar Cosmetics palette, and I'm so excited that Laurie asked me if I'd be interested in a collaboration, and I'm glad I took part in it. Again, everyone's channels will be linked down below. Please go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thanks again and bye!